Hi, and welcome to Cedar Mini. We are a mum and bub duo documenting our creative play and art journey together. We show you simple and budget-friendly ideas to foster yours and your child's imagination. Come and see what we're making today. Today on Cedar Mini, Mama and Minnie make Bauhaus-inspired collages. This project will only require a handful of tools and materials. Of course, the first will be paper. We use primary colors to help Minnie with simple color recognition. You will also need glue, preferably glue sticks, but you can use clear glue with an applicator of some sort. Scissors, and optional is a drawing pad for composing your collage, as you can also just use whatever size sheet of paper you have at home. We are all about creating minimal and effortless experiences here at Cedar Mini, but if you would like to expand your craft kit, click on our links in the description below for some recommendations. Well, let's get making! First, we cut our paper. I used primary colors for this project because I intended to use the experience for some intentional teaching for Minnie. I used red, yellow, and blue paper to teach him basic primary color recognition. I cut them into squares, circles, triangles to acquaint him with some simple shapes. The second step is composing your collage. You can glue your cut paper as you go, but you can also pre-glue the entire sheet for your toddler, as we have done here. When gluing, I asked him to tap, tap, tap to help the paper stick onto the drawing pad. I also tried to be as descriptive throughout the activity to help him connect concepts and language.
A big yellow circle. That one's like the sun. Where's the sun? That's right. It's outside. All right, what shapes would you like? Yellow. Where's the yellow? This one's yellow. Red, that's red.
I was really surprised at how much Minnie was able to concentrate for this activity. We have done something similar about 2 months ago, and he just wasn't as interested in it. Today, he was so responsive and enthusiastic about everything, and showed that he was able to follow basic instructions as I explained the process to him. Best thing about this activity, the stickiness made it difficult for Minnie to throw paper everywhere. For myself, I used whatever pieces were left for Minnie's afternoon activity. As usual, I tried not to think too much and just went with the process. Relaxed, put some music on, and made. And here's what resulted in our accidental Bauhaus collages. Borrowing simple shapes and colors, our compositions were playful versions of the Bauhaus art movement. After running out of pieces that I thought would work with my composition, I decided to call it a night and leave my own Bauhaus poster here. Definitely fun, simple, and something anyone can make. If you do make anything, make sure you share your creations with us on Instagram at Cedar Mini. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again on Cedar Mini. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Minnie and Mama.